like for example 3 inches ang shoes, ayaw na i-add nga floor plus 3. Pwede i-wear niya iyang shoes, dayon mag-measure siya from waistline to kato iyang desired nga length. Dili kayo advisable nga long ka anang ansana mo-sweep gamay ang kani, dili kay ni realistic, dili pwede inani pagkasukod matumba ni niya ini lakaw. So kung unsang level sa floor, kung dili ra tama ang floor, kara gyud taman.
So Filipino daw ang dapat mo sukod sa imo and you don't sukod yourself.
You cannot na. Sige. Bust,
So, bust,
waist, hips.
Actual, no extra.
In inches. So that's bust,
Inches ni
bust, waist, hips, first and second. Ang figure, front and back. Figure is from the shoulder to waist. And then, kinahanglan kog length from waist to floor. Dayon, kani optional lang ni siya. Kung di kay kakakuan ni bust point o bust distance. Kani ni siya from here to here. And kaning bust point diha ani. No? So if you cannot do this, okay lang.
So this is for the bride, ha? So you measure yourself and we need it soon, very soon. Cannot be next week. Mga 3 days.